Okay.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and this is my mom, Vicky. And we're making a volcano out of homemade clay. And
So what were the ingredients for our homemade clay?
1 cup of cornstarch and 2 cups of baking soda.
This stuff right here. Baking soda.
And 1.5 of 1 cup and a half of water.
Mm-hmm.
And we mix it together and we put it on medium. And then we wait until it starts getting thick, and you stir it constantly, or else it'll get stuck to the side of your bowl. See, like ours did, a little. And so, and this is the vent of the volcano.
Hold on, we gotta stop now. We'll come back later.
Okay. Let's watch it.
It won't stop.
How
come it won't stop? Stop! It won't stop! Oh, now we got a picture of our TV.
Good.
It won't stop. I don't get it.
Good for you.
And
We've had this camera for a couple years, Mom. I think you